Alright, it's time for another giveaway. I have some regular DJI Mavic Pro filters and Hubsan ZINO filters. And the first video is for these Hubsan ZINO 2 filters. You can see it comes with a 4, 8, 16, and 32. And here they are in the bag, never used. And these will be the filters for the first filter giveaway. So after that, I'll be doing another giveaway for these DJI Mavic Pro filters. So stay tuned for whenever I'm going to go ahead and give these away. Alright, to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel. Leave a comment in any one of my videos that I have. And in the comments below, let me know which video you watched and left a comment. And put the hashtag for CL Tech giveaway. Alright, that's it for this giveaway. Stay tuned for after this one's done. I'll give this one away. And as usual, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.